To install this version 595.79 Nvidia graphic card version, you can go to Nvidia website. The link is provided in the video description. This will take you to Nvidia website. Over here, select your right graphic card model. Make sure that you select your model over here and select your series. Make sure that you select your series over here and then select the graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. And if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Click on Find. Now on this page, find GeForce Game Ready driver. And over here, you can see 595.79. Now click on View over here. Click on Download. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on it. Click on Yes to allow. Click on OK. And then click on Agree and Continue. Now, if you want Express, this will upgrade existing drivers and retains current NVIDIA settings. So if you want this option, you can select this option. If you want custom allows you to select the components you want to install and provide the option for clean installation. So if you want Express, you can select Express. I will select custom because I need clean installation. Now click on Next. And then if you want to perform a clean installation restores all NVIDIA settings to default value and removes any profiles you have created. So if you want, you can go for clean installation. So put a check over here, perform a clean installation, then click on Next. And once the clean installation is done, this process will take some time. Once this is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you should be able to update your update your graphic card driver to 595.79. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.